All right, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $102.31 with the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $20.22. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. It's for the week of August 25th to August 31st, or August 24th to August 30th if you live up north. So today is Thursday, August 25th. I live down south. I'll be doing this every day on the first day of the sale, posting a video. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them. Because I can tell you for sure, one of these items is definitely going to be out of stock. So, gosh, guess what it's going to be. Anyways, let's get right into the, hit the like button. I'm trying to build my channel up, so hit that like button. But let me get into the 10 to 12 best deals. I always go for the money maker. I'm going to make money. I'm going to throw in some more practical deals. I just, for some reason, don't. And then I have like this huge money maker. I'm like, oh man, I could have got some not so good deals that maybe other people are interested in. So I'm going to do that. But I go all the time. I go every week, sometimes during the week. So I have tons of stuff. Now I got more. So let me get right into here. All right, let's start with the Success Rice. This regular price, $2.89. And you can catch it on Fetch. There was 1,500 Fetch points, so that's $1.50 to you. And there's also a Publix digital coupon for 75 cents, making that guy only 64 cents. All right, and I did this deal before the vitamins. We got only 2 days left, so if you want to make some money and get some vitamins, I got the kids vitamins, Nature's Bounty Kids vitamins. Great deal on those. Also got some Sundown B12 and mix it up. I got some Chlormine, and picolinate. What? Yes, definitely. So got that. The total for these two are they're $5.99 and $5.99 for the Natural Bounty Kids, $5.19 for the Sundown. So the other Sundown is $5.19, and the Chromium Picolate is $7.99, I believe. So that came to $30.36. Right there. So you're over that $30 threshold, so you can qualify for that $10. And I've already gotten some of them back now, so it is legit. It's a Visa gift card for $10. Visa virtual gift card for $10, and got some creative ways to use that. You can add it to your Publix account. You can add it to an Amazon account. It will be used. So get right into what I did. So I reached over $30 in this combination. I've done this a couple times, and if you watch my other videos, you've seen this deal. But the way I did this, I used the manufacturer printable. Got the link for that for the Nature's Bounty Kids vitamin. That's $2 off, and there's also a Publix digital, so I was able to use the Publix digital because all of them say a limit of one on there, and I was also to use that. Now the good coupon for this, the $2 off one, expired, but I got this one, and I thought it was $2 off in my first video. I did it as $2 off, but it's actually $2 off of 2, so I got 2 there. And then of course this from the Save August 7th, and that's where I saw the promotion. There's $2.50 off any Nature's Bounty vitamin or supplement there, and there's also a store coupon for $3 off. It looks just like this one. You got till Friday tomorrow, so if you want to do this deal, you better hurry up. So I used 2 of those Sundown ones. That got me $3 off. 3 of these Nature's Bounty $3 off got me $9 off. So in total, let's see. As I said, these 5 cost me $30.36. 2 of the Sundown store coupon took $6 off. 3 of the Nature's Bounty store coupon took $9 off. $2 off at 2 hangtag took $2 off. The from the Save 8-7. Nature's Bounty $2.50 off, another $2 off from the manufacturer printable. And I got the link, as always, a detailed breakdown and a link below for that, and also a digital coupon for another $2 off, making it $3.14 moneymaker for those 5 right there. Suave deodorant did this deal before. Now they're not on sale for $1.99 like they were last time. They're $2.67 each. Didn't matter because they're with tax for both of them, $5.74. There is a Publix digital coupon. It says the Axe kind of digital coupon, $3 off of 2 Unilever. This is one of them, Suave and Axe. So you get $3 off right off there from the Publix digital coupon. There it is. Looks like DC Axe right there. Took that off. There's my Nature's Bounty one. Took that off right there. And then Abada. As I said, I always select all the digital coupons. I always select all the Ibotta rebates. Ibotta takes $1.50 off instead of 50 cents off because I guess maybe it's a mistake. I'm not going to argue, making that a 26-cent overage when you include the tax. Morningstar Farms veggie sausage. I do got the coupon there. It does say a limit of 4, so you might need 2 different computers, but you can print out 4 of these guys. I got the link to print that below, and basically I got 3 pictures. I got 4 of them. So 4 of them would cost you, they're $4.79 each. So for 4 of them, cost $19.16. However, they're BOGO this week. You know what that means? Buy one, get one free. So for 4 of them, $9.58. I used 4 of these $1 off manufacturer printable coupons. That took 4 off. And there's $1.25 on the breakfast items, and this is sausage links. So that took $1.25 off, and they're actually pretty good. So as you can see, I ate one already. So $1.25 times 4 is $5 off. So $9.58 spent. $4 off from 4 of these coupons. $1.25 times 4 is $5 off from Ibotta, making 4 of these only 58 cents total. And keep it going. And I was working up to something. This time I was working up to the Brinker digital coupon. You get it for $50. It's for Chili's Maggiano's on the board. I'm going to use this or give it away as a gift. Digital coupon for that. Boom. $10 off. DC digital coupon, $10 off my total. So that helped making this, gosh, $20 overage. This was only like $29. That's my math, right? $29 for this $50 gift card. So that's where my moneymaker went. All right, keep it going. Challenge butter. These are regular $3.99. So for 2 of them, cost $7.98. However, they're on sale 2 for $5, so you get 2 of them for $5. There is a digital coupon. Where we at? Boom, 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 boom. Challenge butter took $3 off for the digital coupon. Ibotta has 50 cents off of each one. That's another $1 to the good because I had 2 of them, making that only $1 for both of those. Organic Girl, I got the 50-50 mix because I thought that'd be pretty good. Regular is $4.99. It's on sale for $3.99. I don't have it pictured, but there's a $3 off manufacturer coupon. Now, it came to my junk email August 10th around there, and you take a survey. I did this, a couple weeks ago, but take the survey, and you get $3 off your organic. So check your junk mail. Well, I don't know if it's still good or not, but you get $3 off. Also, there is a $2 off one that came later in the week. You also can use that, but $3 off one made it only 99 cents. All right, keep rolling. Not that much stuff today, but always good. Oh, okay, here we go. So we had a lot of fun here. So this is the I did this 2 different ways. You buy Kotex security. The security ones are $3.35 for this 24 count, or there's also, I think, a 14 count. I got the 24 count. So for 2 of them, comes to $6.70. There is a Publix digital coupon. Don't forget that. Taking $4 off of 2, so that took $4 off of my $6.70 total. And then, of course, we have in the save from August 21st, there is a $4 off of 2 store coupon, which is pretty cool. Not often do you see the store coupon in the, oh man, we're getting wind. my tower of liners is about to collapse, but not often do you see a Publix store coupon in the inserts. It's in the save August 21st. So I was fortunate to get 8 of those. So I used, it's $4 off of 2, so I got 2 of those. And then I had 7 left, so I got 14 of these. And I'll get right into these. But let me finish this deal off. It was $6.70 for those 2 pads. Use that $4 off a 2 digital coupon. Use that $4 off store coupon. You're looking at a $1.30 overage. Also, Fetch gave me, some other points or whatever. It's about like another 60 cents. Plus I had $1.50 from that or something. But what else? Okay, you buy Kotex liners. Now, if you can find the 16 count right there, the 16 count liners. These are $1.29, so I got 14 of them. I guess you could get 16, but I got these too, so that was what I did here. But I got 14 of them. 14 times $1.29 is $18.06. And I used 7 of these $4 off of 2 packages. It says 2 packages of U by Kotex tampons, comma, pads, or liners, 12 count or larger. 16 count liners, I mean, they definitely looked at it. They definitely took it to the customer service manager, and they accepted it for me. And why wouldn't they? I mean, everything on the coupon, usually manufacturer, oh, it doesn't have the picture of this, or it doesn't state the size. Come on. Look, this is your store coupon. So if you're not going to write the verbiage right on your store coupon, then rewrite your coupon policy, whatever. Anyways, they accepted it. It's their store coupon. They made it up. They accepted it. Whether someone messed up or not, I don't care. As I said, $18.06 for these 14 liners. 7 of these $4 off. That's $28 to the good, making that a $9.94 overage for those guys. So do that deal if you can find them. All right, final deal. St. Ives. These are regularly $2.99 for 2 of them with tax. You're looking at $6.43. However, they're BOGO this week, so these are $2.99 with tax. That comes at $3.21, and there is a manufacturer printable coupon, limited to. Came to my sign up for the Unilever. I'm telling you, it came. It said like. Gosh, I can't remember the title, but I'll have the date that email came to me. Unlock savings. I print out all the Unilever coupons, and this was one of them. Took $1 off. I used 2 of them, so $3.21 spent, $1 and $1 in the coupons. That made that only $1.21, and of course I was way over my total of $50 to get this $10 off my total purchase, and getting this gift card for, well, I guess you could say I got this gift card for $29.78. So it's a $50 gift card. So once again, I had fun here. A lot of savings, a lot of coupons. One transaction this time. Sometimes I do more than one. $102.31 with the goods. Had an overage money maker of $20.22. Once again, please subscribe. This funny looking guy right here. Check out my past videos. I'm going to try to do an extra savings book coupon. Is coming out in a couple days. Try to have that up for you. Hit the like button, and everybody enjoy their couponing this week.